Now, Ken, where's our contestant?
Well, Herb, 3 boys heard you play the harmonica last week. So they wrote in, and they said they'd like to play a number with you. So we invited them to come tonight with their harmonicas, and here they are now. Dominic Sgro, his brother Tony Sgro, and Eddie Sedor of the United States Marine Corps. This is Tony Sgro, Dominic Sgro, and Eddie Sedor.
Boy, you brought the whole force here, I'll tell you that. I'm glad you're with me. Not again me. You fellas, see, I'm going to give you some old golds first. First thing we do. You're all going to get a carton of king-size old golds. And just pass them right on down there.
Thank you.
And you fellas been playing the harmonica quite a while, huh? How long have you been playing?
Oh, we're from Wellsville, Ohio, and we've been playing ever since we were freshmen in high school.
Is that so? My gosh, that's about when I started. I was in a little harmonica outfit. We had a little kind of a quartet. What we had just it was a small quartet. In fact, it was a trio. We would have sounded like a quartet if we'd had another chord, I think. But but you got a terrific setup here. I mean, being in the Marines there, you really. How do you like it, by the way?
It's a wonderful branch for a young fellow who's interested in a career. It's good pay, good food, and a great future.
Fine. Well, that's right. How long you fellas going to be in there now?
Well, we're getting out next month.
That's a darn shame now that you're just getting to like it like that. I mean, I'll tell you what, if you play good tonight, maybe they'll hold you over for a couple years. But you're going to play a little number now. I was just wondering, what number would you think would be good to play? I'd be sure tickled to play with you, but I just wonder what we ought to play.
Oh, anything you say, Herb. How about something classical?
Yeah, I like the classical numbers, all right. In fact, if they ain't classical, I don't mess with them. I really very partial to classic numbers. Like what?
How about Hungarian Rhapsody or Flight of the Bumblebee?
Either that or William Tell Overture.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'll tell you the truth, those are nice numbers, all right. No doubt about that. In fact, I don't know any of them. That's the only drawback. But I have another number that I do know, and it's got a lot of the same notes in it. It really is. It's kind of fun to pick them out too as they go by. It's sort of like bingo, except you can't get in trouble with it. You know, it's really fun. I'll tell you what to do. You fellas, would you like to warm up while I find my equipment here? I want to get my tools out, so get yourselves limbered up there while I get myself. See, I'm not quite ready yet. Do you want to go on ahead and I'll catch up with you? Right on, let her fly there. I'll just be ready by the time you get through. I like that, Doctor.
Oh,
pretty good?
Wonderful. That's well.
Great. I'll tell you, kind of got me stirred up now. I really would like to try something with you, but I don't know. Do you fellas know this violin solo, Czardas?
Yes,
You do know it?
What key do you do it?
I don't know about the key. What key you fellas play it in? Because maybe I'll probably.
How about D minor?
D minor? No, I don't know. how about E flat? You know that? How about that one? Actually, I play it in E, but it flattens out as I get going. I don't know what happens. Something happens in there. You want to start it off, and I'll leave me a space to get in, though, huh? If we haven't blown our brains out, we'll play the game. How do you feel? You really simmered down now? Really feel good?
I think so, yeah.
We're going to try to make you some money now. And you fellows really got terrific talent there. For that, I want you to take an extra cart along with our compliments, too, by the way. And thank you. Really good. I like to hear the harmonica played like that. No kidding. The way you fellows play.